Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to fix POF login problem. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're trying to log into your POF account but you're not being able to do so, then here are some fixes for you. While logging into your POF account, always make sure that you type in your username or your email followed by your password correct. In case you type in a wrong information while typing in your credentials, you won't be able to log into your account. So always make sure to enter the correct credentials. In case you forget your password, you can tap on I forgot my password link and enter your email address that is associated with POF into the text box. Once you type it in, tap on the reset password button and follow the instructions and you'll be able to reset your password for your POF account. That way, you can easily solve your issue while logging into your POF account if the problem is because you are typing in your credentials incorrect. Apart from that, the next thing to make sure is to connect to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and once connected, try logging into your POF account. Sometimes, the reason you are not being able to log into your account might be network related. So always make sure to be connected to a strong internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. If you are connected to your internet but still you are not being able to log into your account, the next thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the latest version of POF application on your smartphone. Tap open your Play Store for your Android, or if you are using your iPhone, you'll need to tap open your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in Plenty of Fish or POF and make your search. Once you find the application, if you see an open button popping up right next to the app or right beneath the app, that means your application is up to date and there is no need to be doing that right now. Simply tap on the open button. And if you receive an open button popping up, you can skip this step. But if you see an update button popping up right next to the app or beneath the app, then that means your application is not up to date. Simply tap on that update button to download the latest version of POF application. Once you have the latest version, go back to the login page and try logging into your account one more time. If that works for you, then that's great. You can stop right there and start using your POF dating application. But if it still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is to clear out your app cache and data. Go to Settings from your Android phone, give it a tap, and from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From the list of the apps displayed, search for POF. Once you find the app, give it a tap. Now, tap on the Storage button from the App Info page. Tap Clear Cache at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, tap on the Clear Data button as well at the bottom left-hand corner. And in the pop-up that asks you if you want to proceed further, tap OK. But remember that you must know your credentials before doing this, or else you'll lose your information since the application's data will be deleted permanently after you make this change. Once you tap OK, relaunch your POF application from the app drawer, log into your account by entering your credentials again, and that way you'll be able to solve your issue for POF login problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.